How's it going, friends? Plan FOMO here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about something that most of you probably don't want to hear, especially since you're feeling extremely bullish right now. But today I was doing my daily technical analysis and posting some great bullish setups in my private whale room. I was jumping back and forth between crypto pairs, switching between standard and logarithmic charts when I came across something really interesting while analyzing where Bitcoin potential top could be in the near future. So let's jump straight into the charts. If you like my content and you want to support me, smash the like and subscribe buttons. As always, remember, nothing here is a financial advice. So let's just jump straight into the charts. We are on the Bitcoin charts weekly. Every single candle represents 1 week, and I'm gonna try to I'm gonna navigate based on this to-do list. Connect all the dots. We're gonna try to connect all the dots with our previous tops. I'm going to use 50-day moving average by, let's just say, for the support, for our potential support, where the price, if we're going to see that crash, where the price could go, the price could settle. Questioning about this second leg up after getting this leg up, and now we're right now experiencing the second leg up. I'm right now questioning myself, are we not experiencing the same situation? I mean, the same scenario. Are here, or we are here right now? So I'm questioning right now this, and maybe this is and also I'm trying to answer the question, maybe this is our first leg. Maybe this is just only the first leg, as we saw back in 2020, 2021. Of course, I'm going to use a Fibonacci golden zone to predict where, if we're going to see that, we're going to compare the previous rally and this one, if we're going to see a major crash in the upcoming days, or I don't know, weeks, month. So where could be our potential bottom, or where we can buy Bitcoin for a lower price, as an example. And of course, gaps and pullbacks, we're gonna try to analyze quickly about that supply zone, or like supply demand zone. If we're gonna see that crash, where the price could go, at what gaps price could go inside to fill those gaps and go straight to the upside again. So right now, let's go step by step. Let's just connect all of those dots. In the previous bull rally, not in previous, but technically in 2017, 2018, that bull rally, the first one, all right, I was like extremely bullish. I remember back in the days, yeah, everybody's talking about crypto, blah, blah, blah. And after this depression period, I mean, all those depression phase back in the bear market of 2019, 2020, and when we started to rally up, we topped out at around $65,000, $64,000. All right. So after getting the second touch point, I'm going to connect all of those dots. That was my thoughts. This is my process of thoughts back in the days. And right now I'm connecting the third one after we got $68,000 on Bitcoin. All right, then yeah, another bear market, another depression phase, whatever you can call it, however you want, I don't really care. And then when you're connecting those 3 touch points, of course I'm gonna jump back in those touch points, just bear with me. There's more than the 3 touch points, which is super important, so watch this video till the end. And if you're connecting those previous tops, I mean, back in 2017, back in 2021, back in 2021, again, the second one, back in 2022, let's just say. And then if I'm connecting all of those tops, it perfectly connects with this one, with the fourth one, with the, let's just say, the fourth rally. Or you can call it, I don't know, it's like a seventh rally, or I don't know which one is it right now, if I'm analyzing all the Bitcoin history, but still. So by connecting all of those dots, this is our top, $107,000. I believe this is our potential top. So where Bitcoin can go next from here? Is it over? Or maybe we're going to experience another rally, just like we experienced like here, back in 2020, back in 2021. If we're going to experience something like this, my potential target would be retesting around, 107, but I believe the potential top, maybe together with the small wick, $120,000. If we're gonna experiencing the second leg up as we saw back in here. Of course, on the first rally, I need to jump on the daily time frame, but I believe, if I remember right, we got that second, but just a small leg up when we experiencing the second rally after that major one. But I'm questioning myself, is that the first leg up, or that was our first leg up? And right now we're experiencing something like this second rally, and this is what I'm keeping this question, asking this question to myself. And of course, as you already know, I'm always telling you guys, secure gains, secure gains, secure gains. No one knows the future. But still, together with a 50-day moving average, if this is let's just imagine this is our first leg up and we are about to experience the second one. So by connecting all of those dots, if we're going to experience the same rally, keep an eye on this ascending resistance. This will be our potential ascending resistance. So keep an eye. If we're going to start retesting those tops, this is where you have to start securing your profits, to take the profits. And yeah, if we're going to experience the bearish scenario, if we're going to experience a crash, I believe this 50-day moving average is our potential support. And of course, if we're going to see something like this, a drawdown in the upcoming days, weeks, months, I don't know, look at those bullish candles that identifies, or you can call it a gap, or let's just say a demand zone, and then to experience a second rally. This is my bullish scenario if we're going to experiencing a crash, because look at the first rally. Look at those demand zones, look at those gaps, look at those strong bullish candles. After this crash, we filled those fair value gaps, or let's just say demand zones. I don't know how to name it actually. I don't know how to produce this video for you. But every single time the price goes inside, retest those strong buying levels, and then push the price swings itself to the upside once again, the second rally. So I'm expecting to see something the same as we saw. Not maybe that harsh, but pullbacks are inevitable in the bear rally. It doesn't matter that we're rallying up to the upside. Pullbacks, 20% pullbacks, 30% drawdowns, it is a normal and healthy thing. So right, we connected all of those dots. We're gonna use 50-day moving average on the regular candles. On the regular charts. I'm questioning myself if this is our second leg or this is just our first one, or maybe we're experiencing something like this, a bull flag, and of course on the lower time frame, like on the daily time frame, we have a bull flag right here. So it depends on you how you see the market, but I believe that we're experiencing just a first leg up, because I believe that we have entire year for the bull rally. But if I'm wrong, I'm okay. I'm secure in my gains. I don't care. But why do I believe that we're going to experience the second leg up? Because altcoins right now, ETH didn't do much. It doesn't do anything right now. So I'm expecting for the Ethereum, and comparing, like trying to navigate Ethereum, Bitcoin. So maybe Ethereum is going to start rallying up together with the second leg, or maybe the altcoin season is going to hit so hard, so Ethereum could go straight into the like $5,000 at least, when the Bitcoin is going to start forming some kind of potential bull flag. All right. So I keep those questions. Ask yourself those questions and do your own research. Do that critical thinking. You know what I mean? Based on the Fibonacci levels, I use Fibonacci levels back from that rally, from the swing lows to our swing highs. Look at that golden zone. Those golden zones has the respect from the swing highs. Whenever I have to, where I can identify, maybe from here to identify the swing high, the swing low and the swing high, the golden zone was respected. So if I'm connecting those gap zones, if this is my, where's the Fibonacci? If this is my swing low connected to the swing high, if the price together with the 50-day moving average, our potential indicator that shows us potential support. So with this drop together with this 250-day moving average and the golden zone, we can connect everything. All of those dots connects at around here. So we'll be at around $80,000. If we're going to see a crash, yes, my target point would be $80,000. So sue me for that. And yeah, and talking about those gaps we already discussed, so keep an eye on those bullish candles. Whenever we see that massive rally to the upside and those strong bullish candles, most of the time price likes to go back inside those gap, retest, find a demand zone, and go straight to the upside once again to keep that bullish momentum and create higher lows on the bigger time frame. So these are my thoughts. But again, if we're going to see some kind of crash in the near future, this is the place where everything is connected. 50-day moving average, golden zones. Let's just say by using from the top to here, that would be 25, negative 25, 30% drawdown. So it also makes sense to reach that $80,000. But still, the good news for you, let me just quickly delete all of those drawings, those brushes, just bear with me. The good news are about those charts that, just hold on a second. I can do this by clicking all in one, but whatever. I'm gonna do this one by one. Right. So I'm not saying that this could happen right now, all right? Because look at those previous rallies. We're experiencing those double top patterns or something like that. Look at those multiple touches. The price tried to climb back towards, go towards the upside and retest those ascending resistance levels, retesting, trying to break through that ascending resistance, and maybe the price could go flip above this and go straight to the upside even harder. And right now, yeah, I'm not saying that this is over. I don't believe that, because I believe that we have some kind of consolidation phase at around those levels to experience that. Maybe to form some kind of bear flag and then potential divergence in the near future. As we saw here, money flow is going down, but the price is going up. And I need to see something like that to be 100% confident to say that, yeah, the bull rally is over for me, from my perspective. So yeah, keep an eye on those regular charts for the average Joe that wants to invest in the Bitcoin, to understand where we are right now based on the charts. This is just a technical analysis. It has nothing to do with probably, I don't know, bigger, deeper fundamental analysis, but based on the charts, by connecting all of those dots, the previous rally, back in 2017, back in 2020, 21, by connecting all of those dots, that makes sense. That really starts to make sense to me. And yeah, waiting for the retest at around maybe to reach 110. I don't know when, but we're definitely gonna reach that 110. I want to be sure. I'm confident. Don't worry about that. But still, I want to wait for those potential divergence to see if the odds are not in our favor to continue that bullish momentum and to push the price towards the upside. So these are my thoughts. By keep an eye, by simply with all of those, by looking at this bias or whatever, deleting all of those indicators and drawings, keep an eye at this ascending, we can call it a resistance trend line. Keep an eye on this resistance trend line, because after connecting and having like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touch points, that is like more than enough. And remember, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. So these are my thoughts. Again, enjoy your weekend, guys. Stay safe, don't be greedy, secure gains all the time, and yeah, stay safe and peace out. I'm gonna see you in the next one.